Hey, here we are smoking on Sunday again, except for today's not Sunday, it's Wednesday. We're gonna try something a little different today. We're gonna do smoked paella. Now here's what we got going on today. We've got a whole plethora of different things. We're gonna include some chicken, some chorizo, some shrimps, that's squid, there's some mussels in there. We actually have some peas, some parsley, some tomato, onions, bell pepper, and this special kind of rice and the chicken stock. And we're gonna put the whole thing in this awesome paella pan. Doing the whole thing today on the grill, smoking it on the way. Here we go. Okay, here's our grill setup today. We are going to definitely use a 3-part fire, trying to get this as hot as we can. You'll notice that I'm gonna go ahead and use the half moons and then put some charcoal in the middle. We'll go ahead and using these wood chunks and some chips to go. And then we're actually going to use my neighbor's mini grill. So this is the mini green Weber and the big green Weber. We're going to use this mini green grill. I need to do some doctoring up on it a little bit on the grill itself. But we're going to use it to actually cook some of the products as we're going through it. So the first thing we're going to do is put the paella pan right directly smack dab on these coals and get the onions going. Okay, so we put the paella pan in on the hottest part of the flame. We've actually got our bell peppers, our onions, our parsley, our tomato, and our chorizo cooking. We're gonna pull this off and let it sit for a little bit, and we're gonna refocus our time up here on the chicken. Okay, we just added the rice, and we're about to put the wine and the rest of the liquids in to get it to boil. So we have the wine, the chicken stock, and the saffron cooking. It should simmer for a good 15-20 minutes. Let that actually cook at the same time. We're going to go ahead and cook these pieces of chicken for a good 6 to 8 minutes aside, get those nice and grilled, adding a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. So the rice has been simmering for about 10 minutes or so, a little bit more than that. We're starting to transfer the chicken from the grill. We've added the mussels to the grill. We're going to give them, a handful of minutes so they start opening up, and then we'll transfer them as well. Okay, so we're about 20 minutes into the simmer. We're starting to get a really nice crust on the bottom. You'll notice I moved the mussels over, the chicken's in, added some peas. We're just waiting for this squid and these shrimps to grill up on this one little runaway pea, and then we're all good to go. All right, and that's what you get when it's all done. Another Smoking on Sunday, this time Wednesday, paella.